Okay, I need to load all the gear to the warehouse there. I'll push it all the way down. Normally, we get the truck parked up here, but that didn't get cordoned off, so yay. So normally, we'd have this saved, put the truck there, and load it in. Nice and easy. Today, it's all the way down there, on a busy road. Yay! Not much I can do with it, mate. Day one, pre-production with while she sleeps. We do Rock am Ring Festival this weekend, Download Festival, then a run of festivals in June. And just got all the gear from Solar Tech and some decking. That was fun to load in. Right, plugging stuff in, pre-pro, Monitor World, front of house. So, here's my console. It's brand new CTI 1500 they've sent me. I don't think anyone's used this before. No scratches or anything on there. Oof, beautiful. So here's my setup for the summer. So console on top of this rack. And then in this rack we have power supply in the front. It's a bit messy, but we'll try and tidy it up a bit. Then here's my Mac Mini that I just installed. Then Wave server. And then in here will be the shout speaker. And that'll just live in that space. And then drawer on the bottom for all the gubbins. I'll sort through that in a bit. And then on the back of this rack, it's a little bit messy, but got access to the back of the Mac Mini and the network switch. And that'll go up to the Waves card there. And then it's already linked into the server and to the back of the Mac Mini. And then all that I need is two cables. So the GigaRace and the power cable for that. And that links in to there. So every day I'll get a 32 single for power. And that'll power everything in this rack. And then that'll power everything in that rack. And then I'll just pull out the back of this rack. The power and the feed for the shout speaker. Just go there. Plug in my desk into here. This is a multi that runs between the GigaRace card of my DM0 to the GigaRace card of the DM64 over there. And then I've got this on this little run, the DX168, just some extra ins and outs at front house because 6 is not enough. So I'm using that for some ins and outs for the stuff around here. So on the front, a couple of 50-45s. I'm going to use these on all my vocals. So Matt's, Loz, Sean and Aaron. So we'll get them set up tomorrow. Max BCL for my left and right. I've not set anything yet, so it's all whatever. And then my Fusion. So at the moment, I've got it set up to go out of the 16.8 into the Fusion, out the Fusion into the Max BCL, out of that back into the 16.8. And then I've got a couple more drawers. My headphones fit in that one. My DM0 at the bottom. And then on top, so ignore my laptop, that can go. I've got a screen there that I'm just installing everything. So a little screen for the Mac Mini. This comes up, USB-C in. And it's quite lightweight, so it's literally on a small rig arm. Being held up by an iPad clamp. Nice and easy. And then keyboard and mouse retractable. So I can just do all my recording, multi-tracks, and all of my plugin stuff there. And then these can live in the drawer. And then obviously the most important thing, a Carlsberg.
Have a nice birthday.
Not boarding.
check it.
Got the wristbands, got the wristbands. Woo. Yeah.
So do I, baby. Look, I've got one as well.
Nice.
Because I'm talent.
What colour's yours?
Mine's blue and yellow.
Ah, I love IKEA.
Yummy.
I also want streaming on the VLAN, so that's easy. Apparently we're using the fucking video wall now. We're using the video wall now. No, fucking upstage video wall. Yeah.
Podcast content.
That and bones content. Of course it is.
Okay, so I'm trying to get all the mics on the drum kit here, and my head is just touching the roof of the stage because we're on a 5-foot riser. So I've got some of the mics in place, all on the small rigs, but I keep hitting my head on this. Very fun. Fun knife.
Guys, go straight this way, please. You guys to the all the way down. And then right to the front of the stage, these guys. Right to the
Show done. Load out. Forklift. All my gear. Let's go, boys. Woo. Follow me, Mr. Forklift. This truck's now in our way. Go tell it off, Neve. Tell the truck off.
Oi, get out of our way. We're busy.
Here's my stuff though.
want you to make some noise for our boy Toby, who's filling in and helping us make this shit fucking happen. Toby also told me to say hi mom and hi dad.
Jump, jump, jump. Rock and ring, we've been washing sleeves. Thank you so fucking much.
Here we go. The real behind the scenes. This is what 90% of touring as a sound engineer is. Sorting out cables. Come on, pressure's on.
I'm gonna make it so long.